Today I want to take a look at these two different foam cannons. I've got this Mingle brand that I got off Amazon years ago, and the main reason I got it because it came with this adapter that I needed to fit my old pressure washer at the time. It does an okay job, but it's not the best. I've recently kind of come up with a new pressure washing setup here on my wall in my garage, so I picked up this AstroAI. This is really well reviewed online, and it was super cheap at $17. A lot of people say it's one of the best inexpensive foam cannons you can get. You can spend $70, $80 on a foam cannon. For what I'm doing, I just don't need that. I'm an at-home car wash guy, so if you like more detailing content, I would be happy to start making some as I wash my cars. It's a passion of mine, just like knives, firearms, flashlights, all types of things. So if you want more detailing stuff, let me know. Physically, these are very similar looking. It's the same bottle dimensions and even features at the top here. The only difference is this one is less clear than this new AstroAI. I'd say the AstroAI is slightly thinner too, and maybe not quite as rigid. Other than that, they're pretty similar controls. The heads are a little bit different. This one uses a 1.1 sized orifice, I believe, from doing research, and that should be a good fit with this Ryobi 1.8 GPM pressure washer. So let's try it out and see where we go from here. I will add the soap that I'm using here is 1.5 ounces of Chemical Guys Mr. Pink. I know it's not the world's best soap, but it is, and it's probably a little strong dilution, but it's what I've got at the moment, and it is something I'm trying to use up so I can get something better. So let's see how it goes. We are going to be washing my BMW Z3 here. See how it goes. So this is a wet mix. You can see it's not stacking great, and that's as much soap as it'll go. It's doing the job, but it's kind of spitting, and that's one of the reasons why I was kind of looking to get something else here. It's a little windy, so I'm fighting that today. All right, let's try the other one. All right, let's try the other side with the new AstroAI. You can just hear it. It sounds better. It's more air. I'd say the foam is a little bit thicker. The dial on top doesn't really look to be doing much. Still maybe a little wet. It's not stacking super thick like I'd like. So I think I still got a little bit of tuning to go on this to get it where I want. The car is ceramic coated, so take that into account. Rinse now. I'm kind of going to do a foam rinse foam method. So we'll just kind of walk and talk here while I do a little bit of contact washing. And as far as the foam cannons go, they're more equal than I thought they would be. The AstroAI, I think, needs tuned a little bit. I will probably end up ordering some different orifices and seeing if that makes a difference there. Both seem to work pretty good. For the money, that AstroAI is tough to beat. I don't need super thick foam for what I'm doing, but yeah, that's kind of my review there. They both work. Need a little fine tuning, probably some better soap, and should get some better results. But overall, not bad. So I'll keep working on getting this car clean and getting a little bit of Tech 582 on it as a drying aid, and get it clean, and then keep enjoying it. If you want to watch more detailing content, let me know. Thanks for watching.